ɛwɔ bɔne nyina no yɛde ho asɛm nso ɛde ɛbrɛw nti ka kyerɛ wo nua no sɛ Lawson Sports yenya ɛde dwumadie no ahyehyɛ so Perry Pesley JT Kententre Hajia Dayan Obed Amov Power Omo ena eta dwumadie n'echi enye no nko a Sister Fia Franca Hasmin from Kotoko Hatzefolk Bibieri Gold Stars Obetse omo so enka na afei nyama no ye de ahyehyɛ so now question of the day proudly sponsored by Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska Star Enterprise na Daroma and then the question of the day no ba be ye ho adwuma na question of the day ni who do you think is currently the best goalkeeper in the world internet question na ye bisa say why na ususu say or the best goalkeeper e wo wiase sisi Gigi Donnarumma na Alisson Becker na Thibaut Courtois ana say David Raya me papa chow ene question no say currently na che say sisi emprempren ye I'm just assuming say the last 6 months ana well anyway Biggy
Kweku
Bibia say ye
nyame adom bibia ye kama Kweku
fantastic now me pese me twa window eto question no JT de Perry Pesley muka currently mo pese mo kire say yenya no yes dodo saying yenya no busume insia ana so say the last 12 months JT wa hin appear and come and clarify ni wani mu ya na fi ba Biggy wo gira hin mo say kind of focus so mo cheme say wadaro ma bra Facebook na be join here na fi share na wo nua so nya kwan na ono so enhwe dwumadi ni bi Facebook no Lawson TV e wo Facebook e ba na wa share kai say your old page no any obio say a new page and na e wo ho new one and na e wo ho enti bra na be follow na share na unia so enye bi enso enhwe okay asabo nkwanta ka se Jay-Z no se say
what is season ya ewu mi ya yes
TJT say a season we ye any enka ho asa okay me papa chow de ho do no o enti Ghana fon show madwen amwako Ephraim say Alisson Becker what's the boy Thibaut Courtois Abubakar Benzema Courtois Musa Arsenal say Kweku enjoy show no live for UAE Jokri also enjoy live show no live Nana Badan Kwame Facebook or say Thibaut Courtois anyway in Ghana focus so much say Biggy Wadaro man ojina hinie
among all these goalkeepers there I think say I hope you have any more sort of and an idea Thibaut Courtois a lot of people is going to choose him but I feel say he's in that class of his own Thibaut Courtois I was through in terms of class but Kweku a form part yeah I'll go for David Raya yes
me baba chaw mo amuyi question no say season way enye de onim dadada say season way why not da go pa sa na the other question by no or say yenye no
see all these goalkeepers Kweku in terms of class there I think they almost throw the chain Raya but honestly Raya performance this season no if we last season a performance and also but this season compared to all these other goalkeepers there Kweku I'll go for David Raya on any day.
Good afternoon Kweku me enjoy showing live from Ketekrache Oti region. My name is Ali Dauda. Me answer Thibaut Courtois. Matse Bright Kojo Thibaut Courtois. Me enjoy showing live from Ashaiman. Man like Shadow. Me answer Thibaut Courtois. Ibrahim fine Finn Garba or say ne answer David Raya. Jokri say Thibaut Courtois. Edimefi say Donnarumma. Right. Thibaut Courtois all day from George Mensa. Kujo Richard say a Tibu Kutua Kevin Moore say a David Raya. It's a Ghana focus so much from my journey on Facebook no a Lawson TV our Facebook a bar na we me so na wa share na uni aso so nya kwan no so ahwebi kama ntino me shamo answers na mo de ba no omo say a season we yo anyway biggie
agu
ye be hurafie na ye di fie ho nkomo sesei ye guso ye pem ko the super class na e baso no
sure
Mr. Museni ye sika mrembi no munyai classico nika why esre mu nidi mu a munyai sa niama no ye nyai classico nika
Ghana's version of the El Clasico
sas mude sa word no crash wa na me homemate Mr. Mu se super class ni e be yusu amoma ye yusu sa ntino super 2 and super class for the meantime unless say fufuru we be saba what you say ochina kra JT biem na Ghana for fedin fufuru famra e bia e benya good suggestion bi
sure
what you say
sure
eba so enti ye baba ye hu build up kakra na ya bonkomo be hu say impanyifo na start eguso a e kasa kakra but nyame adom so a week and the games about Coastal Ghana Premier League, Nation Service for na ABA Punonano. Most of friend Poman Sunania Bre up a soft fan first win at the Nation Service. First of all, Mamiko Tia friend Poman and Samoa Waka ahead of Nation Service Ho United game. Right, okay. Enti ano I ready about beti hon komo yera kotoko ne house so son komo Hearts of Folk NCC chairman Alhaji Yusuf Abdullahi ono so wakasa na mamintie no because omo adwuma titru supporters
yeah, the best phobia, beautiful people with beautiful color. Phobia, never say die until the bones are rotten. Yeni asi edu keteke nana no nyankonton branche yeni Accra hasofo yena yekasi ye emane dimu na en kwasi da ya eda ye nimu ye ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene wo match na me share me supporters na bo say omudi tumi amame as NCC chairman no mejina menemu we ne samachi e dia ma Accra hasofo supporters na Timeton Krama Minya na owo Kumasi Chamansulu so wo ba Accra won frame na o frame so abema ba bi pada di obedi ada ni di obedi nyina bema no ne mo 3 points on the field na die obeja no akrom hasi na wako Kumasi Timeshi
Chairman Yusuf Senior Dodwana esi friend ni din ya Alhaji Yusuf Abdullahi and someone on swaka supporters ni nyina Hearts of Folk ono and a dawma no ne someone o kan say obewini big what you see him say
Kweku
also otonkra e dia match chairman solo
yes
okay we asembi ha mekakra na
sa sembe ya
biggie
semkomo ye nyina na yedi ontime ye nchei
Inyama miuno. Derin kan super class no they didn't work from. Senior they didn't work from no. I don't expect the usual. Senka penny for kotokwana has air train say Freda and number your more pre-match no. And you say yes sir.
yeah
Say yeah establish a game ne dum pen so be already there. Then you can go by either Thursday or Friday. But baby, your football no was see no. Monday to Thursday, I've seen the media space trying to help, but less content because we don't want to be discussing Chairman Soloni, Chairman Yusuf, with all due respect to my people. We want to be discussing the teams. But what the media yes?
yeah
Inti say abrochire no mo twan ma fiada no ma ya yen du ho kami menyanka Kewasa almost share my clubs in the end acha Wednesday. That's what I say. So that from Wednesday up to Saturday, in Command will be based on what coach and the captain or whoever talked on behalf of the club.
Yeah.
Nanka discussion at posa line no. But on command media what you say.
Minyante has there, but say kotoko Karim Zito Akasa.
And I'm yes. Good. Intino Nanka a bantamwa inka afa amame. Has or more training.
And the funny
thing is, both you.
Yes, on only both you.
Mr. Mama Yanka Kayan Hokakra. Or Parado, Mr. Mama Yanya Jumana fast. They say, Yanya brew system. Michelle, I feel a whoop, Mukran, both you. Take us, I say Wednesday, crab, da. Now, system, no more shit. They are tossed you. When we say a convention, a Wagana hapa. Simi Winia. Chairman of the supporters no ye winning ma o mo Mr. Musaka Sande yakebie ye ntwa so why ni die mu a say bibia ye pese die football no kono saka na bi ni die ye ntwa so chairman enye na win game chairman solo enye na win game chairman Yusuf enye na win game. Leave that to the technical directors and whatever their place you know. Mojuma, you will be just on the supporters. You will get them to the stadium. On the supporters, I'm betting you gather them. Because I'm percent now say it's immediately come out as Ebi a chairman solo buy ye we winning 5. Who winning 5 here then? Ebi a UCV buy ye the first game, the second game Yansha una no. Sans no dear. And I biggie. Men come you know I'm at one no.
Sure, Kweku.
So you can have your different opinion. But me feel say football no. Ni many be one can and any promote your league. But say if you ask na atraho. Ipamucho. Supporters chairman. Responsibility is your supporters. Get them to the stadium. Chairman Yusuf. Nyame aduma ye ko stadium mo na nipa nu so a ɛhɔ no wadwuma wo ɛna be judge wo say wo ye ana wanye yes because ntimi ko ba say wo na wo be win game no ɔkyena bi ko lusu a team no lusu dia yɛmfa nhye coach dabi san komo no idi atwam dada nti please wo ne chairman solo mo aboadom no say no ni ade ehia ɛno no madwuma nkasa titru why need you more thank you very much I hope say men come we abekom yie na accommodate them na matsi asam no ase because you have to listen to understand you see her echia mu nyina biggy meet you
Kweku nkomo we anya bam no ma men sha se free attendance and the publicity hon komo we are in an era nipa dodo a football sisi ano sports for choice and factors bebree and so soon lead to poor attendance at various stadium and can no an ase maybe a twem say yakobo kumasi asante kotoko ne aka